In order to view analytics for a particular email sequence or an email broadcast, you can come into marketing and email campaigns, and you can see all your emails in here. And to sort them, to find something quickly, you can just choose broadcast and see which emails have been broadcast out. You can also click sequence and see the email sequences you have set up. And then to view either when for analytics, you just roll over here to the right and choose report. And you can see all the people it was sent to, who was delivered to, how many people opened it, how many people clicked on it, etc. And when it comes, this is my test email, so there's not a whole lot of analytics in here, but you'll see here clicked, you'll be able to click on the number and see which actual people were the ones that opened it up or clicked on it. So that'll be really helpful in trying to figure out which of your email sequences are being effective and where people are unsubscribing. Down here, you'll see day 0, and underneath will be day 1, day 2, day 3, however many emails you have set up in a sequence. And you can see analytics all at once about, it looks like on day 3, they're dropping off, there's 5% unsubscribes or something like that. Then you might want to go in and look at that email and see what's going on. Is it the subject line that needs to be changed up, or is it the body? What's going on in this email that's causing all these people to unsubscribe? So it's a great way to come back and review your messaging and see what you can improve.